Is my love constant for God, or do I love him when I have good days, but not so much when I have bad days? So one thing that I think it's important with that is we can pray anytime, anywhere. That used to be like a theme in primary, and Sister Browning did an Instagram post last week and reminded us we can pray anytime and anywhere. And with that, when things are really challenging and we don't understand and it's not working out, and it's like I'm trying, um, remember we can go to the Lord with our prayers being real and raw, even being angry, and just letting him know, like, this is so hard and I'm sad, I'm confused, I'm angry, all the things. This is so unfair. Okay, I'll have to stop there. Otherwise, that'll make me cry. Because it doesn't feel good, right? Can we still keep our focus on Christ? Can we still turn to our Heavenly Father? And when we do that, that's our striving, that's being intentional, consistent, constant. And that will help strengthen us because the Lord knows our heart. And when things were really difficult in my life and I'm like, wow, I'm doing all these good things, so many right things, and so many bad things are happening to me, I just kept going. And that's why I like to focus on glimmers and rays and lights, light equaling truth at the beginning of the class, because I call them light bulb moments, or a light switch. Things would be so horrible, and then all of a sudden I'd be like, wow, like, how did that even happen? I don't know how that happened, other than I knew it was a miracle from the Lord blessing me because of this constant turning to him and seeking and expecting those miracles. And at that time, we hadn't had that talk yet. So I was wanting miracles, but I was feeling really guilty. Like, I don't know, can you even ask for that? And so I really felt like when President Nelson said we can seek and expect miracles, that he was giving me permission and I could totally let go of having any guilt.